Hi, my name is Scott Dow. I'm a senior instructor for Mobius North America, and I'm excited to be doing a full-day workshop at IMVAC. Most presentations you will attend involve learning by listening, but this workshop is all about learning by doing. You will learn lessons on a variety of subjects, with the main focus being on the importance of using time waveform. As an attendee, you will receive a time waveform primer, a small manual that will provide all the detail and information you need to set up and start using the powerful tool that we call the time waveform. As far as the workshop goes, at the beginning of the day, you will be assigned to a team of 2 or 3 analysts, and you will get presented with certain information. There's a series of case studies. Each case study begins with a scenario or situation that you will find yourself put in along with all the other teams. And you will have to work your way through with real data. You will be given actual data to analyze a variety of different types of data, not just time waveform, but also the spectrum. You will also be given some virtual tools that will allow you to do some limited field testing in your pursuit of verifying your diagnosis. And your team's job will be to analyze the data and prepare a report on the machine condition, including any faults that you've diagnosed. Once all the reports are submitted and the actual details of the case study will all be presented, and we will take the time to go through in whatever detail is needed to point out any teachable moments. And the case studies are actually selected specifically because they do contain various pitfalls that careless teams can easily stumble into. But the entire case study will be laid out for you. All the details will be gone through, and it'll all get wrapped up. And there's a series of 4 of these. And this workshop is all about the practical application of the vibration technology, focusing on lessons that will help you be a better analyst in the real world and better prepared to take that next training step, whatever it may be, in your career as an analyst.